Alright, so there's quite of a tornado right now. I'm gonna stay back from the windows. Cause, stay back a little. Yeah, it's pretty crazy right now. I'm in the backyard. You're probably not even able to see it. Get a little closer. Oh yeah, and the thunder's gonna be loud. Like, is it? Oh god, that is loud. Oh heck nah. Let's stay away. On the camera, it looks very bright out here, but it is nowhere near bright. It is dark. Oh god. Wow, you see how crazy storms can get here? You see how crazy southern San Antonio storms can get? It can get this crazy. Oh, this is gonna be louder there. Oh, coming over. Is it hailing? I can't tell. Oh, alright, yeah. Alright, this is crazy. Oh, god. Oh, okay, I'm staying back. It's getting harder. Wow, look at this. Oh. Wow, this thunder is hurting my ears. Get a little closer. Maybe this is how far you can go. Is it hailing? I think it might be hailing. Get a little closer. Okay. Oh, man. How many storms are we gonna get? It's like the fourth storm this week. I think it's hailing. I'm hearing some pretty hard raindrops right now. Oh god. Oh, it's water. See all of this? Man, it's crazy. Oh god, it's hailing. Oh god, it's hailing. We haven't had hail in so long. Did I just see a firefly? I think I just saw a firefly in here. Oh god, it's hailing. It's hailing. Oh my god, it's hailing. It's hailing right now. Oh my god, this is crazy. It hasn't rained this hard in so long. It's literally hailing right now. My god, it hasn't rained this bad in so long. Oh my god. It's hailing right now. It's hailing right now. This is... Oh my god. I don't remember how long it's been since it's rained this hard before. You can't even really... You really can't see it. Oh god. Okay. The wind's blowing this way. My god, it is raining so bad. It's hailing right now. Oh, do you see the little hill? No, you can't see them. See? Oh God, it's getting hard. Really, really hard. Oh God. Wow, this is crazy. It hasn't rained so hard in so long. Man, I can't even speak because I'm that shocked right now. I'm just surprised that it's rained this hard before. And it's hailing again. Oh, that hurt. That hurt me as well. Okay, the lights are turning on. The guard lights are turning on. Look, you see that light right there? It's turning on. Oh hey, that's oh, never mind. I'm staying back. The rain's coming over here. Wow. Oh God, this is gonna be loud. Oh my God. You see how hard the wind is? Look at the trampoline. Okay, there is a strike of lightning right now. Wow. And Jesus' foot is literally stomping on the earth right now. Oh, it's getting hard again. Oh, I saw it. It was over there. I saw it. Oh. Why does that always happen? It starts off quiet, then it gets louder. Oh, the plants right there, getting a lot of water and sunlight. Wow. And the rain is slowly calming down. Oh, that was a strike. There's a little combo right there. A little smash combo. Smash Bros combo. That was over there. Is another car gonna turn on by itself this again? Wow, it's just slowly calming down. And you can see that there are lightning strikes right there because you can see that you can see the lightning because of the little shed. It's reflecting the light. Oh God, we had a combo. I saw that one. That was three. That hit three. That was 3 lightning strikes. Oh, that was loud. That was loud. Alright, so that one was near me. That one was quite near me. All the lightning strikes are over there. And I think it's hailing again. Yeah, I think I saw it. Yeah, it's hailing again. You saw that piece of hail? Did you see that? Did y'all guys see that piece of hail? I tried going outside. I saw that. Saw it at the side of my eye. I used the side eye to see it. That was over there. Whoa, that must have been behind me. But that was loud. What if I slowly just try opening the door? Any hail pieces? Any hail pieces anywhere? No, there aren't any pieces of hail. I think I saw them. No, there's a lot of lightning over there. There's a lot of lightning on this side. Oh, that was over here for once. Well, it hasn't rained. Wow, the rain's calming down a little. I already forgot how the start of the storm was like. As soon as the storm started, I started recording. It seems the clouds are gone over there. So that means all the lightning must be on the back. On the front side of the house now, so. Well, I'm too lazy and I do not want to record back there, so I think I'm gonna just. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just end the video right here. Yeah.